Okay, stay tuned. Let's get into Visual Studio, and then we'll see what we can do. So I'll go into my Visual Studio. Like, I'm using Visual Studio 2019. So when I come here, I'm supposed to choose. I'm creating a new project. So create a new project. Choose a project template with coding scaffold. Blah 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 blah. So let me see which one I'm going to use. In a project or solution, open a folder, create a new project, continue without code. What is that? So click on so here we are going to use Windows Form application. Windows Form application. Windows Form application. Windows Form application document framework. So that's it. Project for creating an application with Windows Form user interface. Windows desktop. So let's select this one. Next, go to Windows application. So we'll name it Expense Tracker. Expense Tracker. Change here to create a folder called S.I.T. and put it inside S.I.T. See the options here. So project name, location, place, solution, and project in the same folder. Yeah, that is it. So select the folder, and then I'll go to create. Let's see. So we wait, and then we'll get it created. Now what happens in C# is that once you create a project, it comes with a default form. So this is where all the calculation, asset calculation, all the designs will happen. So I'll teach you. This is a form, a plain form, which you use. So first thing I do when a form comes is to first give the form a name. So I use a prefix FRM. Then I name it expense tracker, or I'll say expenditure. Okay, let me name it expenditure. Form expenditure. So I press the enter key, and that will change the form. And this is what we are going to use when we are referring to this form. That's the name, the reference name. Now the next thing I change is the text in the properties window. So the properties window. If you don't have the properties window, you can go to view, and then you look for property window. Just click on the toolbox, and then you have those few things. You can get the property window from there. Then I go to text, and then I'll change this name here, right here. So name it expenditure entry. That's the name that has changed. Now the next thing I also do is to change the font. this is optional, but that is what I do. So you can also choose your own font, whatever you want to do, and make it bold. The next thing I do is to change the background of the font to white. So that's it. I go up, look for background, back color, change it to white. That's what I use. You can change it to any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. So this is my form. I'll save it. And then you can run it and see. So you run any software in C# or Visual Studio.net. You look up here and then you see the start button and then you just click on it. Or you can go to projects. Is it projects? Press F5 to run. Where is the run? I can't find it, man. Yeah, right here. So you can start debugging using F5. Start without debugging by using Ctrl F5. That's it. So I just click on the icon to run. Let's see. So we run and show us our form. It's compiling. Good. So this is our form. Their form, there's nothing on it, but I'm going to show you. We put all the controls on it. It's super simple. Super simple. Super simple. So you have all your controls there. You can enlarge it to fill the screen and bring it back and minimize, take it back. And I'll show you how you can control this minimize, maximize, and close buttons from the properties window. So we close it and go back to our so here we are. So you can stop this maximum button from working. You come down. In your form, you can make your form not to even have the buttons at all. If you click none, all the buttons are gone. If you click fixed, you see the buttons back. You can do fixed 3D, you can do sizable, you can do whatever. You can try them, give various options and see how it works. Then when you come down here, you see main menu strip, which I haven't added yet. See maximize box, which is this one, maximum size. We have minimize box, which is this one here, and then we have the close, which is the last one. So you can say you want it. If you want the maximum box, that is true, which is there. If you don't want it, you don't click, that's false. You want it to bring it back to true by double clicking. You want to minimize, you double click, set it to false so that it will work. Double click again, brings it to true. So that's how you can make those buttons right there for you.